Today I'm going to show you how to make printable vinyl stickers with Cricut's Design Space. So if you download Design Space, we are going to use the Print Then Cut feature. So I started a new project and it opens this up. You need to be in a desktop or a laptop. You can't do this from your phone. And you're going to go down to the upload section. So here I have a bunch of images from past projects that we posted to our Instagram, but you'll be able to upload your own. And you'll be able to select a document. So I'm going to select these ducks here. I believe I created them in Canva and I needed to resize. So you saw they were a little too big, got an error, and I hit make. From here I'm going to save the project and I titled it Angry Ducks, and then I hit save because I want to save the project on Design Space. And so it opens up the Print Then Cut feature. So this is going to be an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of printable vinyl that we will use, and it looks good. So I found the device and I needed to connect my Cricut and I hit print. All right, so I am using a DeskJet HP inkjet printer. I selected print. And this is a bit new. You can select your base material. Now this really matters depending on the thickness, and we can either select value vinyl, we can open up and browse all and hit that search box and look for printable vinyl. If you choose a thinner type of paper, it might not cut all the way through, so you really want to make sure you select the closest thing to what you're actually cutting, which is printable vinyl in this case. We can select the default pressure. We can make it go faster by pressing go, but here is what we're working with today, our Royal Elements glossy white printable vinyl sticker paper. You could also use matte, that's a good choice, or clear printable vinyl, and you can also even laminate your stickers so they're 100% waterproof. But those are some of the options you have. Digging into this 100 sheet pack of our printable vinyl sticker paper, we offer this on our website here, but this is what it looks like. It is the sticker and the backing, and so we're using an HP DeskJet 3755. It's a cheap printer, and you can see here that we sent the sticker paper through the printer. It looks beautiful, high gloss, very high quality print. And those are our angry duckies ready to do some damage. So I put it on the Cricut mat, I smoothed it down, and then I needed to go a step further because with glossy printable vinyl, you need to make sure the cut lines show up. So as you can see here, sped up a little bit, I put matte tape over all the cut lines so that the Cricut machine can read them, and I even used a Sharpie over top to really make those cut lines pop. So if you run into an issue where your machine is not reading them, then that's what you'll need to do. So here you can see with the matte tape over top with the Sharpie, it read them perfectly and it cut them out in this die cut shape. Really nice and crisp. A lot easier than using scissors. Yes, that is an option if you don't have a cutting machine from Cricut or Silhouette, but this is how they turned out. Very well done and nice. And the last step here is to use some sort of weeding tool. I'm using this hooked weeding tool to carefully dig around the edges and lift up the sticker. Now, if I selected a thicker cut, it would have cut through the sticker and the backing sheet, which may be nice if you really want die cut. But this is how they turned out. Again, this is Royal Elements glossy printable vinyl. Printed it out, and then we stuck them on here to this little mug. And if I wanted to remove these, they would be removable. But in this case, I want to keep them because they look beautiful. Hope this tutorial helped, and I'll see you in the next video.